I think 3 to 1 we are going on live. Okay.
ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్ గర్ల్స్. సో కొంచెం మీకు మోటివేట్ కానీ కొంచెం ఇది కానీ అని ఖుషి కానీ అమ్మడికి మీకు ఫ్యాన్స్ ఉండరు ఏవిఎం జిల్లా.
ఆల్రెడీ ఖుషి అయిపోయా నాకంటూ
బాగుండనా మీరు బాగుండారమ్మా, అందరూ బాగుండారు, బాగా వచ్చిండారు. ఐఎమ్ సో మచ్ హ్యాపీ. ఓకేనా? సో ఎవరు గెలిచినాను ఎవరు సోల్నాను ఎవరు ఏమి అనుకోకూడదు. బట్ ఇది ఎంజాయ్ చేయండి. బట్ క్యాష్ లో ఎట్లా ఉంటుందో సేమ్ అట్లే ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా? ఫన్నీగా ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, సో ఎవరు పర్సనల్ గా తీసుకోకూడదు. ఆమెడికి మీ ఫ్యాన్స్ కి ఇది ఒక మీ సెలబ్రిటీస్ నేను యాజ్ యూజువల్ ఎప్పుడు చెప్పినట్లు చెప్తాను. మీ ఫ్యాన్స్ కి ఇది ఒక మంచి కలర్ఫుల్ ఈవెంట్.
Participation is more important than getting a prize.
ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ. ఓకేనా? బాగా ఎంజాయ్ చేయండి, ఖుషిగా ఉండండి. ఎవరు బేజారుగా ఉండకూడదు. నాకు మీరు బేజారు అయిపోతే నాకు ఇది బేజారు అయిపోతుంది. 4-5 hours నుంచి చాలా భావాన్ని తల తిన్నాను నేను. ఓకే, రియల్లీ నాకే అయ్యో అనిపించేస్తుంది, ఆమెకు చేసింది అనిపించేసి. బట్ ఏమైనా కానీ మీకు సంతోషం చిక్కింది కదా. ఎప్పుడు మనం ఒక డైలాగ్ వేస్తాం కదా, మీరు హ్యాపీ కదా, దట్స్ ఎనఫ్ అని కవితకి ఎప్పుడు కమెంట్ లో పెడుతుంది. సో అది ఇక్కడ ఆయా. సో మీరు ఖుషిగా ఉండండి రా, అంత చాలు. ఓకే, ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
ఓకే కూడా లవ్ యూ ఆల్.
Love you too, Ka. Love you too.
Thank you. జ్యోతి లైబ్రరీకి పోయింటివా?
ఓకే యా లైబ్రరీకి
క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆన్సర్ చేసాక
అయ్యో రావా. సో రియలీ యు ఆల్ విల్ ఎంజాయ్ లైక్ ఎనీథింగ్.
నేను కవిత అక్క ఇంటికి పోయేది చూసి చార్టర్ ఫ్లైట్.
సో ఐఎమ్ సో మచ్ హ్యాపీ.
లాగిన్ అయ్యింది. 40 minutes ఏమైనా కట్ అవుతుందా మళ్ళీ?
అవునవును,
40 minutes కట్ అవుతుందా? ఏం లే 40 minutes ఏం కట్ అయ్యేదంటే ఇట్ విల్ కంటిన్యూ. ఓకేనా? సో పక్కన నీళ్ళు కావాలంటే నీళ్లు అంతా రెడీ చేసి పెట్టుకోండమ్మా.
అన్ని ఉంటాయక్క క్వశ్చన్స్. బిస్కెట్ ఉంది.
ఓకే ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Hi, AVLG Angels.
Hi.
Good evening.
Hi.
So I'm feeling super fantastic. ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ కండక్ట్ చేసేదానికి ఐ ఓవర్హర్డ్ మీరు మాట్లాడుతూ ఉండిందే, లైక్ మీరు బాగుండారు అని అంతా మాట్లాడుకుంటా ఉంటారే. ఐ టెల్ యూ వన్ సీక్రెట్ విచ్ నన్ ఆఫ్ యూ నో. ఓకే, ఎనీ girl on the earth, any lady on the earth, any women on the earth, and especially an Arya Vaishya lady, she is always beautiful. Okay, with makeup, without makeup, with jewels, without jewels, everything, you will be super fantastic girls, and you are rocking as usual. You are doing a fantastic job. As your Akka said, it is for you to just enjoy. Okay, don't take the game seriously, but take the enjoyment seriously. Okay, I have muted everyone. Okay, ఎప్పుడు కావాలప్పుడు అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. అండ్ బజర్ రౌండ్ కి ద సింప్లెస్ట్ థింగ్ ఇస్ యూ నీడ్ టు చాట్ బాక్స్ లో యూ నీడ్ టు రైట్ మీ. ఓకే, me. Okay, whomsoever writes me, okay, they are the buzzer. You're the first message na screen la kanbadisindo, they will be the this thing. Okay, ladies and few gentlemen like me who are there on the WhatsApp, on the Zoom call. Okay, a very hearty welcome from the host of this beautiful evening with these beautiful ladies. We are today playing the game. The name of the game is The Game. Okay, Entkalnon Tadesko is the tagline of this. Okay, the disclaimer here is the entire game is designed on the basis of cash program. Okay, thanks to them. There is no any resemblance with anybody here, any character here. This game is played only for the fun. Okay, so whatever you will be winning will be in the form of points. and at the end the winner will be only one winner. That winner will be getting a prize from, of course, yours truly, Command group of companies. Command P-Ninka will be getting a winner trophy, which will be delivered to you through courier or Dunzo or whatever. Okay. When I announce a particular round, any rules and regulations, if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Okay. Once we start playing of that particular round, you should not be asking. Okay. So I'll be sharing the screen now. And before sharing the screen, I'll also be introducing each one of you. And then, of course, we'll go ahead with the game. Okay. And hope all of you are ready with the dance. And suddenly, why all your faces have become so tensed? Don't create tension in my face now. Okay. Chill. Okay. Let's just enjoy. Let's have a fantastic evening. Once we do this particular game, once we conduct this particular game, I should keep getting lots of requests from AVLG ladies. Maki, we'll participate. Okay. Okay. Are you all able to see the screen?
Yes.
Yeah, welcome to Arya Vaishya Ladies Group. AVLG presents the game played with the beautiful angels of the team. And now, to start with, let us welcome. So this was Shruti for you. As you all know, Shruti is playing this particular game all the way sitting in Dubai, and she is the moderator for birthdays and anniversaries on the page, and she's very fantastic in cooking and presentation. And how will she send me the one she has cooked it? I'll leave it to her. Shruti, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much, Dr. Eragam. I'm very happy to be part of it.
Yep, lovely. So next, let us welcome our another beautiful girl to this particular fantastic program. Hey, where are the dance steps, man? Rajni, this is for you. Okay, now what I'll do is, because you guys are not dancing for my songs, those who dance will be winning 1 lakh points now.
Sitting.
Yeah. Sitting only. Okay. We'll restart with our Shruti. Okay. Those who will dance fantastically, okay, they will be winning 1 lakh points to start with. Dance ఏమంటే డ్రిల్ చేసాను కదమ్మా. That's okay. Anyways, all the best to Shruti, and now moving on to Rajni.
Thanks a lot.
Okay. Yep. Rajni Sangil. Yeah, Rajni, this is for you. Yeah, this is Rajni for you. Fantastic entry, Rajni. Thank you very much. Rajni is from our hometown, Kolar. She's a golden girl, as you all know. And she is the sergeant at arms, and she takes care of the display in the page. And she just loves the art and craft. Now, I'll put the next song. You need to tell me who is that. Yeah, this is Jyoti. What statue dance are they, Jyoti?
Once more, I can try, please.
Once more ante you need to pay me 1 lakh. Okay. Yeah, this is for you again. Yeah, there is a public demand to remove the screen sharing where they will not be able to see. I request all of you can swap it and you can see. You can see the screen sharing also, and you can see the dance also done by our members. Till the introductions are over, I'll stop sharing the screen. They want to see you dance, I believe. Okay. And the next, this song goes to, wow, who's that? Perfect guessing. Yeah, Adma?
Shruti.
Thank you, wonderful. And Shravani is treated as a very friendly moderator. She is from Chikbalapur. She is also super good in cooking, and she is like Manasa Putri for my admin. Anyways, congratulations for that. And have we done with all the introductions?
Yeah.
Are you girls ready to take up the first round?
Yes.
Superb. Okay, now those who are watching it on the Facebook and those who are watching it on the Zoom, we have to have the screen sharing also. Okay, I'll be switching on and off between both. Let us see how this goes along with. So the first round we'll be entering now. Very soon. The name of the round is, any guesses? Wasulify.
The name
Yeah.
is interesting.
Wow.
Yeah, you can Wasulify whatever you want. Okay. Okay, listen, the game rules are like this. You'll be having the 4 options which will be displayed on the screen. Okay. And then the question will appear. The moment question appears, amongst 4 of you, it's a buzzer round kind of a thing. Amongst 4 of you can type me in the chat box. Whomsoever types me in the chat box, it is like they have pressed the buzzer. Okay. And once you give the right answer, so you have seen in the cache, you will be using the Vasuli wall. Here, I'll be giving you the dice to throw. Okay. So what will you get when you throw the dice is this. In the dice, if you get 1, you'll get 25,000 points.
Wow.
If you get 2, it is Irgam's choice. I can ask whatever and you have to do it. Okay. And if you get 3 on the dice, you'll get 10,000 points. And if you get 4 on the dice, you'll be getting 1 lakh points. And if you get 5, again, it is Irgam's choice. Like whatever I say, you will be doing it. I'm sorry. And if you get 6, you will be getting 50,000 points. Is that clear?
Yes.
And the person who presses, that means wins the buzzer round, they will be getting 2 chances. Okay, let us say if Shruti says me first and she gives the right answer. Okay, she throws the dice twice. Supposing she presses the buzzer and she gives the wrong answer, she will not get the chance to throw the dice. Clear?
Okay.
Shall we move on?
Yes.
Yeah, and all of you can answer. All of you can answer one after the other.
And in the chat box, do we need to select everyone or just the host, just to you?
Anything. Select everyone. That's easy
Okay.
because it will be transparent also.
Yeah.
Yeah, because none of you had match fixing also, and I don't want to take a wrong credit also.
Okay.
Okay, clear? Are you all ready?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Before the question, me is went.
yeah. So no question of advance me. Once I show you the question, then whosoever writes me, then only. Okay.
Done.
So here on the screen, the first question key options: Bangalore, Mysore, Mangalore, and Hubli. These are the 4 options. Now I'll put the question on the screen. The person who you need not answer, okay? You need to just type me. Whomsoever types me will be the buzzer round winner. Okay. The question. Sorry.
Now only.
No. Once the question comes. Okay. As usual, I have my fantastic scorer, my lifetime partner, Srisha V. Eragam with me. Okay. He's the person who decides who has done first. And of course, no match fixing has happened here also. And of course, we both of us have a boss. So you have a boss here who will be just sponsoring us. Okay. So all are here only. The question on the screen. Where is the Robo Hotel in Karnataka? Don't answer. Where is the Robo Hotel in Karnataka? Shruti Karthik is the one who has pressed the buzzer. Okay, Shruti Karthik is the one who has pressed the buzzer. Shruti, have you visited this hotel?
No, my friends have visited and they have.
Your friends have visited. Okay, now listen. I'll not be telling you which is the right answer till all the 4 of you answer.
Okay.
Are you getting it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll be telling you the answer only once all of you answer. Okay. Okay. Now let us give the chance to Shruti herself. And okay, Shruti, what is your answer?
I can tell
Yeah, you can tell now.
Bangalore.
Bangalore. Shruti says Bangalore. And next on the screen, I can see Jyoti. Jyoti, what is the answer?
Bangalore.
Jyoti also says Bangalore. And Rajni, what's the answer?
Bangalore.
Sorry?
Bangalore, sir.
Bangalore.
Bangalore.
Okay. And we have Shravani.
Bangalore.
So all of you are Bangalore.
Yes.
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
Yes.
If this is wrong, all of you will be dancing to my tune. Okay. Okay. I'm removing the wrong answers one after the other. So Bangalore gone, Mangalore gone, Mysore gone, and Bangalore is the right answer. Fantastic. So నాకు ఇప్పుడు నిజంగా డౌట్ వస్తుంది నిజంగా క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ లీక్ అయినా అని
Easy question కదా ఏం లీక్ లేదు.
ఓ అలాగా సో ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ హావ్ విజిటెడ్ దట్ నౌ వాట్ డు వి డు ఇస్ విల్ గో ఫర్ dice rolling the dice.
Yes.
Now the first chance goes to Shruti. Shruti, of course, on behalf of you, I'll roll the dice. Okay, this is a random rolling the dice. Okay, so the first rolling for Shruti, and it is 6. So what is the 6? Somebody has taken the photo also.
It's me.
Shruti has earned 50,000 points to start with. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay. Now, because Shruti has pressed the buzzer, okay, she will also get the second chance to do that. So I'm again rolling the button for Shruti. And now this is one. Oh, again money. What is this? So Shruti has won again 25,000 points. So totally Shruti's score is 75,000 points. My son is maintaining the scoreboard and he'll be showing it to you soon. Okay. So now the next chance we'll give it to Jyoti because she is also has given the right answer. So Shruti has won 75,000 points. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. And now, total torsis. Okay, because she has also given the right answer, and her score is 4. Wow, bumper. So Jyoti has won 1 lakh points. Fantastic, Jyoti.
Thank you, Diju. Thank you.
Bob. And now it is for Shravani, 1 lakh. This roll is for Shravani. And this is 1 again. So Shravani's score is 25,000 points. What is this? So computer itself has done some arrangement with you guys. And none of you are getting Ergam's choice. What is this, I say? Huh?
We escaped. We escaped.
Escaped. Okay. So now who is spending?
Rajni.
Rajni is spending this die. No, I'll pray my God. Okay. Let me get 2 or 5. This is for you, Rajni. Finally. So master's choice. Rajni has got 2. Okay, Rajni. Now it is the truth or dare round. What do you want? Truth? Rajni is going for truth.
Yes.
Okay. So what is your actual percentage in 10th?
80%.
So just what is the fun in that? I thought you'll say 34% and another 80 chapkuno chentni. No fun at all, yeah. Now the boss is entering. Okay, she has one more question to Rajni. Okay, Rajni, you have only one choice which you need to answer. Okay, yeah, madam.
రజనీ నీకు కవిత అంటే ఇష్టమా ఏవిఎల్జీ అంటే ఇష్టమా
This is the real question.
No, only one answer. Okay, that means people you can note. Okay, so what does Rajni do? Oh, she is a sergeant at arms. I thought somebody will break the rule and she will give the punishment. Okay, Rajni herself is this. Okay, people are playing safe, can't help. Okay, let us move on to the second question. And before we move on to the second question, let us see what are the total scores. Shavani did not, Shavani 25,000. Okay, and Rajni did not win anything. Can we have the scoreboard, please? The scorer. Take it to the left. Shruti is on 75,000 points.
Shruti is 75.
Yeah. Rajni has to score a bit still. So Jyoti is at 1 lakh points and Shravani is at 25,000 points. Congratulations to all the prize winners. Let us move on to the second round question. Hope all of you are enjoying it.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. God bless you. And let us move on to the next question. The options are here. The rules are same. The first one who writes me will get 2 times chance to roll the dice. Dharmavaram, Mysore, Hindupur, and Kanjipuram. Hope all of you would have got the question already.
Yeah.
Okay. I need to get the me only after the question flashes on the screen.
No, question didn't come still. Jyoti.
Yeah, no, that is not considered. You consider. Don't worry. Now the question, Shrisha, eyes on the chat box, and the question is. Question is missing. which is the most famous city for silk sarees? I have written something on the capitals. So most famous city for the silk sarees. Who is the winner?
Shruti.
Ravani.
Shruti.
Check it out properly, boss. Okay. Shruti again is the buzzer round winner. And now let me go to the answers. Yeah, Shruti, what's your answer?
Kanchipuram.
Shruti says Kanchipuram. And Shravani, what is the answer?
Kanchipuram.
Kanchipuram. Shravani also says Kanchipuram. Then Rajni
sir. Kanchipuram.
and Jyoti.
Kanchipuram.
Lovely. All of you Popolo Kalesaru.
Silk sarees.
Yes, yes. I've told you. You see the question? The most famous city I just asked you, and all of you are given the 100% right answer.
We tensed.
Yeah, you should be, kada. Always you put only us into tension, and let us see what happens, Ani. I also put you girls into a bit of tension. So now, again, Shruti gets the chance to roll the dice twice. Let me go to roll the die. The first one for winning the buzzer, and 5. Congratulations.
What is that? What is that?
5 is Dr. Ergam's choice.
Oh.
And okay, now the direct question from the boss anta. Nene adutanu cheptunnaru.
Okay.
So it's all yours.
శృతి
Yes.
నీకు ఇష్టమైన మెంబరు ఏవిఎల్జీలో ఎవరు ఒకరి పేరు చెప్పాలా
Our sweet and cute admin.
Admin, hello, excuse me. Admin is not member. She is admin. Admin is an admin is an admin.
మోడరేటర్స్ కూడా కాదు.
Okay, I'll change slightly the question. మీరందరూ ఖుషిగా ఉన్నారు కదా, కొంచెం let me create that J factor amongst you guys. Okay, who's your favorite admin? I'm sorry, who's your favorite moderator?
Me.
Very confusing actually.
I don't know.
Okay.
How?
Okay, it's Shravani.
Shravani. The breaking news from AVLG channel. Shruti says Shravani is only my favorite admin, and all the admins are not my favorite.
Oh God, Shruti.
Raseskondi.
One of the favorites.
Okay, one of the favorite is only Shravani. All the favorite girls are all different moderators. Is that right? Okay. Shravani is just one amongst all, and all are beautiful and all are great. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. As I told you, all this for fun. Okay.
Yes.
Naki ratri intla dinner kuda padala. Okay.
Even my answer is for fun.
Okay. So next rolling again is for Shruti. And this is again one, and she is winning 25,000 points. Congratulations to Shruti. Fantastic. Super good going. So next roll, as all 4 of you have won the game, and it goes to Shravani. This is for Shravani. Scorer, please. This is for Shravani, and let us see. This is again Cho. Ergam's choice. So what, boss? Do you have a question to Shravani?
Yeah, I have a question.
Oh, full ready.
Shravani, you're a Friday moderator, right?
Yes, Akka.
నీకు ఫ్రైడే మోడరేటర్ గా కాకపోతే యా డే మోడరేటర్ కావాలని ఆశ ఉండే?
Akka, Monday.
Okay. then Shravani is telling, Friday ఏమో అక్క ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ చేస్తా ఉన్నాను, నాకు యాక్చువల్లీ కావాల్సింది మండే. Hey, what to do when she is doing this? So this is the breaking news on AVLG page. Please make a note of this.
అక్క కాకుంటే అంటే అడిగిండారు.
మాకు అర్థమైనకి మేము రాసుకుంటామమ్మా, మేము న్యూస్ రిపోర్టర్స్. So Shravani has not won anything in this round, and let me go to Rajni. Okay, this is for you, Rajni. And Rajni has won 10,000 points. Scorer, this is for Rajni. 10,000 points. And last but not the least, this is for Jyoti, and here it goes. 5, beautiful. Jyoti again 5. The last time you have won 1,000 points. Now it is 5. And question to Rajni. I'm sorry. Question to Jyoti. I'm sorry. Question to Jyoti. Indas.
జ్యోతియా?
Yeah.
Jyoti, yes.
అమ్మ జ్యోతి,
అక్క
వెడ్నెస్డే అంటే క్రేజీనెస్ కదా ఏవిఎల్జీలో. సో ఒక్క మెంబర్ చెప్పు, చాలా క్రేజీ, నీకు ఇష్టమైన మెంబర్ ఒకరు చెప్పమ్మా.
కెన్ ఐ టెల్ ద మోడరేటర్ ఆల్సో?
నో.
అబ్బా తప్పక్క.
That is what is the crazy mind should think.
ఎవరు ఇష్టం లేదు అని చెప్పండి.
Crazy. Crazy. This is not Ishtumu. Crazy. Who is crazy?
మై గాడ్.
Question pass అయితే -1 lakh points అవుతుంది. Quick గా చెప్పాలా? 5, 4, 3.
దీపా.
Deepa. Okay, Jyoti. Says Deepa is the craziest member and all the other members are dull.
అయ్యో,
Please make a note, this news
Which
reporter.
దీపా?
Okay, let us move on to the game. And I request our scorer to please show the final scores after the second question. Yeah, Shruti is on 1 lakh points, and Rajni is on 1 lakh points again. Shravani is on 25,000 points, and Rajni is on 10,000 points. Fantastic. All of you have opened accounts. Fantastic. Claps to all of you. You can clap from there itself. Okay. Superb. Congratulations to all of you. Are you ready for the next question?
Yes.
ఏమో ఫస్ట్ ఒక 2 క్వశ్చన్లు పాపము మన బిడ్లు కొంచెం ఫ్రీగా ఉండి అని ఈజీగా చెప్పిండే, అందరూ 4 ఒకే ఆన్సర్ చెప్పింది కాదు. నౌ టెల్ దిస్ ఇస్ అ మ్యాథమెటికల్ ఫార్ములా.
Oh my God.
What is a plus b plus c plus d square? అందరూ అన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ చెప్పేస్తా ఉంటాయి. Let us go to the third question of the round 1. Shweta Shetty, Swati Shetty, Sweetie Shetty, and Swapna Shetty.
All Shetty.
So దీంట్లో ఎవరు నాకు క్లోజెస్ట్ ఫ్రెండ్ అని is the question. కాదు. Okay. Fastest fingers first. The person who writes me first after the question flashes on the screen will be winning the buzzer round. The question is Anushka Shetty's real name. Shruti me ani copy chesi pettukunnatlundi, tuck and post chesesta undi. That is the secret. Other ladies please copy it. Okay, so Shweta Shetty, Swati Shetty, Sweetie Shetty, and Swapna Shetty, what is the Anushka's real name? Okay, Shruti. Sorry,
Shweta Shetty.
Shweta Shetty. Shruti says Shweta Shetty. 1 second. Shruti says Shweta Shetty. Okay, and now Shravani.
Swati Shetty.
Shravani says Swati Shetty, and Rajni.
Sir, it is Swapna Shetty.
Swapna Shetty, superb. Rajni says Swapna Shetty, and Jyoti says Jyoti. Sorry,
Sweetie.
Jyoti says Sweetie Shetty. Oh, this is a very wise selection. All the four of you have told 4 different answers. So at least one is 100% winner. Ani gotayipindi naku. Am I right?
Only one is winner.
Only one is winner. Yeah, now in చెప్పి కొంచెం సమాధానం అయితే నాకు. Quiz master always feels happy. Okay, Mr. Computer, can you remove the wrong answer first?
Jyoti, correct answer.
Shruti, gone. Buzzer round, gone. Chapni, okay. కొంచెమే కొంచెం డాలర్స్ ఇది ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేసింటే అయిపోతా ఉండే. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ శ్రావణి ఆల్సో ఇస్ గాన్. వాట్ ఈస్ హ్యాపెనింగ్ నౌ? ద టగ్ ఆఫ్ వార్ బిట్వీన్ స్వప్న శెట్టి అండ్ స్వీటీ శెట్టి, విచ్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ Rajni and Jyoti. The right answer. Sorry, somebody is telling something.
I will guess who is right.
You will guess who is right, huh? Okay,
Even
if
I'll
you're
guess.
Jyoti
Oh.
is right. Jyoti is right.
Jyoti
Okay,
is right.
if your guess is right, all your points will transfer to the Jyoti's account. You already told it.
Please.
Okay, let me see the right answer. Yes, it is Sweetie Shetty and Jyoti. Congratulations, Jyoti. Super. So, because you have pressed the buzzer and you have given the wrong answer, whatever points which is there in Shruti's account will be transferred to my account.
Ayyo.
No. This is not a negative round. Okay. Now, it is only Jyoti who will be getting a chance to
Dice.
roll the dice. Okay, Jyoti, this is for you. So you know what is 1, what is 2, what is 3, what is 4, what is 5, what is 6. Okay, madam, please be ready for a crazy question. Jyoti, please pray God that you will get either 2 or 5.
No, please.
See the smiles on your competitor's face. And it is 5. See the happiness on the others' faces. Yeah.
Please.
I remember 3 Idiots logo what చెప్తాడు, will feel sad when my friend loses his exam, and will feel very, very sad when he comes first. So that is what just happened with all the other 3 participants. Yes, Jyoti, there's one more question to the Jyoti from admin.
జ్యోతి,
Easy question, please.
ఏవిఎల్జీలా నీకు ది బెస్ట్ అనిపించే కాన్సెప్ట్
యావది
Wednesday concept.
Jyoti యావది?
జ్యోతి వెడ్నెస్డే.
Wednesday ne.
Oh, అంటే what is Jyoti telling now? నా కాన్సెప్ట్ అంటే కాన్సెప్ట్, ఇంకా అందరి కాన్సెప్ట్లే కాదు అని చెప్పేసా ఉంది. ఓకే, సో there is no scoring done in this round. Okay, the scores are as it is. Shruti is at 1,000 points, Jyoti is at 1 lakh point, Jyoti is at 1 lakh point, Shravani is at 25,000 points, and Rajni is at 10,000 points. So let us go to the next question. Are you all ready?
Yeah.
Superb. The last question in this round. Okay. Buddhi, which I don't have. Riddhi, Vruddhi, and Samruddhi. Okay. Buddhi, Riddhi, Vruddhi, and Samruddhi. These are the options. Fingers on the chat box. Fastest fingers win the buzzer round. And the question is, what is Lord Ganesha's wife's name? Okay, question ಕೇಳಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾರು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು? Question ಕೇಳಿದ್ಮೇಲೂ ಶ್ರುತಿ ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್, question ಹೇಳಿದ್ಮೇಲೂ ಶ್ರುತಿ ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್. Nobody else? Okay, the answer Shruti. Buddhi. Shruti says Buddhi. Okay, so after Shruti, next it is Shravani.
Riddhi.
Shravani says Riddhi. And Rajni. Rajni, what is the answer?
Buddhi, sir.
Sorry?
Vidya and Buddhi.
Buddhi. Correct? You are going with Shruti.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And Jyoti?
Vidhi.
Jyoti is going with Shravani. Okay, let's see who has won this. So Shruti and Rajani says Buddhi. Shravani and Jyoti says Riddhi. And what my computer says, let me just check it. Woo!
Oh my God.
It is not Vruddhi, it is not Buddhi. The right answer is either Samruddhi or Riddhi. What is the right answer? Riddhi is the right answer. Congratulations, Shravani and Jyoti.
I thought it's Siddhi and Buddhi, so I selected Buddhi.
It's actually Ganesha has got two wives, okay.
Siddhi.
But for today's this thing, we have kept Riddhi as the right answer. So luck also matters.
Oh.
It happens. बड़े बड़े देश में ऐसे छोटे छोटे बातें होते रहते हैं. Okay, now who are the winners? Shravani and Jyoti. Okay, let me give, none of you were the buzzer winners. Okay, the last question of the round. Now this goes to Shravani. Rolling the dice. Be ready with the question.
6.
Is 3. So 3 is you have won 10,000 points, Shravani. Fantastic. And the next is, who's the winner next?
Jyoti.
Jyoti. This is for Jyoti. Howdo. And Jyoti also wins 10,000 rupees. What? I'm sorry, 10,000 points. I'm sorry. But now I know na kuchonte customer dukilke.
10,000 UAE dirhams for Shruti.
Abba dirhams. Kala inbadasale. I think your voice is breaking, Shruti. We are not able to listen to you. So you please check your internet connection.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Now the scores. I request our scorer to show the scores after the first round of all the 4 questions. Shruti is on 1 lakh points. Jyoti is on 1 lakh points. Shravani is on 35,000 and Rajani is on 20,000 or 1,10,000. 1,10,000. Thank you, scorer. Thank you very much for easing me out. Stop screen sharing. And let us move on to the second round. Let me see what is the second round, what I have for you guys. After this, the second round, points, more points. Okay.
Buzzer only.
So it's a very, very easy round. No tension round. Okay. But I'm just repeating, checking with the score. Is this correct? Shruti has got 1 lakh points. Jyoti has got 1 lakh points. Shravani has got 35,000 points. And okay, correct. 1,10,000. Okay, 1 second. I'm just making a note. 1 lakh and Jyoti 1,10,000 and Shravani is at 35,000 and Rajani is at no 20,000. Correct? Am I right?
Yes.
Yeah. So 1 lakh. So Jyoti is leading now with 1,10,000 points. Now listen. This is a very simple question. And only one will get the chance to answer, not all the 4. Okay, na? Question Uchin Takshmu, the person who presses the buzzer, that means writes me, okay, will be the person who gets the answer. I mean, who gets the chance to answer. Okay, only one person will get the chance to answer. Okay, there is a rider here. ఇప్పుడు ఎవరు బజర్ ప్రెస్ చేస్తారో అంటే మీ అని రాస్తారో వాళ్ళకి మాత్రము ఆన్సర్ కి చేసేదానికి ఛాన్స్ సిక్కింది. వాళ్ళు, and each right answer will win you 50,000 points. Okay, na? Let us say Jyoti, who is in leading, she says me, and she'll give the right answer. Then she will be having 50,000 points in her account. That becomes 1,60,000 points. Supposing she presses the buzzer and she gives a wrong answer, so we will be taking off 50% of her points. So 55,000 points will be lost. This is applicable to everyone. Any doubts?
Clear.
Can I move ahead
Yeah.
to the next question? So points, more points. The question on the screen, this is a question related to a movie. Okay. Now you need to tell which movie is this. Okay. I'll be giving you 4 options. The moment you will get 4 options, you need to type me. Don't give the answer. Just type me. And only one person will win the chance to give the answer. Okay. No explanations are given from my side. Okay. Satya Harishchandra. This is son of Satyamurthy, Eragent, and Surya versus Surya. Who is the buzzer winner? Shruti Karthik ఇంకా అట్లే కాపీ చేసి పెట్టుకునే ఉన్నారు మీ అనేదాన్ని. Okay, listen Shruti. Now you have 1 lakh points with you. You will be the only person who will be getting the chance to answer. All the others will not answer. Even if you give the wrong answers also, they can answer, but nothing related to their points. Okay. So go ahead.
So if
What's the
I
answer?
wrong answer, points will be deducted.
Yeah, if you give the wrong answers, okay, you will be losing 50,000 points. That 50,000 points will be added to the prize 50,000 points. That means for the second question, the number of points will be 1 lakh. Etluna buzzer nokeshnaru, you need to just answer. Okay. Yes. What is the answer?
Satya Harishchandra.
Satya Harishchandra. Such a easy guess. Keep closing your eyes. Let me ask Shravani. Shravani, what is the right answer? Of course, you don't have any role to play. I'm just asking you.
I didn't see the slide actually.
Ippudu chudu, it is all there.
Ade pictures
Repeat the question.
So there are 3 pictures on the screen.
Yeah.
Okay.
That is the clue. Taking the clue by seeing the pictures, you need to identify the movie.
Son of Satyamurthy అనుకుంటా.
Okay. And Rajani, what is your answer?
Eragent.
Eragent. Super. And Jyoti, what is your answer? Surya versus Surya. Eragent. So Rajani and Jyoti says Eragent, and Shravani says the son of Satyamurthy, and Shruti Karthik says Satya Harishchandra. Let me see what my computer says. And the answer is son of Satyamurthy. Shravani, why?
Son ఉంది, Satya Harishchandra ఉండారు, that Murthy, that guy.
Wow, fantastic. Bang on. So son of Satyamurthy. So now Shruti's score is dropped down to 50,000. Okay. Now the next question, total points will be 1 lakh. So 50,000 of first question, and the second, 50,000 which is from Shruti, okay, and 50,000 of the next question. Okay. No, correct. One second, I'll go to the next question. Okay, there is a correction from the scorer. The next question value is not 1 lakh, 1,50,000. Here it is how. So 50,000 of the first question, 50,000 from Shruti, and 50,000 for the second question. So now the second question points is 1,50,000. Got it?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Second question is 1,50,000. The scores stand at Shruti 50,000, Jyoti 1,10,000, Shravani 35,000, and Rajni 20,000. Okay. The next question is, these are the three clues which are there on the screen. Okay. 1947 love story, AWE, Oh Baby, and Manam. Questions on the buzzer, please. I mean, hands on the buzzer, please. If you give the wrong answer after pressing the buzzer, you will be losing. So Shravani Raghu has pressed the buzzer. Shravani Raghu has pressed the buzzer. Is it clear? Okay. Okay, fine. One more input from the madam. Okay, now we missed giving the music touch to the entire event. Okay, when you said the right answer or wrong answer, that was clue from madam. So Shravani, what is your answer?
Manam.
Manam is the right answer from Shravani. That is what she guesses. Shruti, what is your guess?
1947 love story.
Shruti says 1947 love story. And Rajni, what's your answer?
Sir, it is Manam.
Rajni says Manam. Jyoti?
Manam.
Jyoti also says Manam. I think all of you would have gone with Shruti, I believe. So this is Manam. The answer is Manam. And Shravani wins 1,50,000 points.
Wow, down you.
Yes. So 50,000 and
35.
Good, I did not press the
Jyoti
buzzer.
Jyoti is 1,10,000. Shravani is at 1,85,000 and Rajni is at 20,000. So one big leap. Superb, superb. So are you ready for the next question?
Yes.
Okay, the next question is on the screen. These are the clues for you. The moment all the four picture names comes on the screen, you can type me, buzzer. Janata Garage, Ninne Pelladata, Mechanic Alludu, and Kaleja. Who is the buzzer winner scorer? It is Shruti Karthik again.
No, Jyoti.
Shruti Karthik, what is the right answer, Shruti?
I'm scared.
That's okay. You still have 50,000. And one more thing is, even if you give a wrong answer, you will be still left out with 25,000 points. Don't worry.
Some clue, some clue.
Some clue. You have one picture on the left-hand side and one picture on the right-hand side. And you also have one picture on the right-hand side and one picture on the left-hand side.
I don't know, I'm trying.
And I'll give you the strongest clue. I'm sure you'll get the answer. Okay? You have 4 blue boxes down. Definitely one is the answer in that. Okay. Or do you want a choice like, that will get it in next round. It's okay. 25,000 after all.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Janata Garage.
Janata Garage. Oh my God. Okay. Why do I give the clues? Shravani, what do you say?
Janata Garage.
Rajni?
If Shravani told, I should have done that.
Janta Garage.
Rajni?
Sir, Janta Garage, sir.
Janta Garage. Jyoti?
Janta Garage.
Okay. Now let me ask Shruti, why Janta Garage?
I
Yes, so
watched
public.
the movie and
Yeah.
it's all about garage, right? Those things.
Garage like Remilodama tools undi. This is mechanical ludo, Baba.
Toolbox undi kada andake.
But this is the right answer is mechanical ludo.
No,
See the screen.
I believe it's Janta Garage only.
See the screen. What it is showing. It is showing mechanical ludo. See what is there in the green now.
Janta Garage.
See what is there in the green now. It is mechanical ludo.
No.
Janata Garage.
Janata Garage is the right answer, and of course, you have won 50,000 back. So Shruti Karthik is back to 1 lakh. Okay. So 1,10,000 Jyoti, Shravani is at 1,85,000 and Rajni is at 20,000. Congratulations to all of you. We are going to the last question of the round. Okay.
No negative marking for last question, please.
Okay. Last question points also is 50,000. Okay, because we don't have any carryover. Of course, negative points are there. 1 lakh, 1,10,000, 1,85,000 and 20,000 points. And here are the clues and here are the options. Anand. And what is this? I'm unable to see this. Titanic, Magadira, and which is this? Kuche? Last one? Bahubali. Okay. There's a toolbar. So it is Anand, Titanic, Magadira, and Bahubali. So who pressed the buzzer? Who pressed the buzzer? Jyoti pressed the buzzer. Am I right? Do you want to check it again? So Jyoti pressed the buzzer. Jyoti, you have 1,10,000 rupees in your account. How much do you want to transfer it to us?
Can you question, Jiju? That slides I'm not clear. 400 hands and what is that last one?
లాస్ట్ వన్ లా ఒక ఇదేమో ఉంది 100 అనే నంబర్ ఏమో ఉంది, ఒక సీనరీ ఏమో ఉంది దాని వెనుక. దాని మధ్యలో ఉండే దాంట్లో కాఫీ కప్ ఉంది. నాది కవితది చేతులు ఉన్నాయి అక్కడ.
I will guess after Jyoti. It's just
You guess after Jyoti. Yes. Jyoti, quick, you don't have all the time.
Magadira.
5. Magadira is the answer from Jyoti and Shruti also says the same. And what Shravani and Rajni says?
Magadira.
Yeah, of course. When the movie is about me, of course, it is correct. Magadira is correct. And Jyoti wins 50,000 points. So 1 lakh, 1,60,000, 185,000 and 20,000 is the final scores. Can you show the screen? Jyoti avardu 1,60,000.
Thank you.
That's okay. Hope you are all enjoying the game.
Yes. Very much.
Thank you very much.
So only even without knowing answer, I am pressing the buzzer just to enjoy.
Yeah, very good.
I don't mind losing points.
Yeah. So this is the score. Shruti is at 1 lakh, Jyoti is at 1,60,000, Shravani is at 1,85,000 and Rajni is at 20,000. Okay, see, till the end of the game, you cannot guess who is the winner. So last round, anything may change. Okay. Anybody can win the game finally. Okay. So don't lose your hearts. Till the last minute, the winner will be, the luckiest or the sharpest. Many things matters. Okay. We are coming to the last round of the game. Third round. Let me share the screen. Hope the people on the Facebook are also enjoying. There are around almost 70 people are watching on the screen, on the Facebook this thing. Oh, we are getting answers also from them. Okay. Arpita Mohan has answered. Vanita Lakshmi is watching. Sitara is clapping. Kavya Shubhakant is clapping. Lakshmi Lucky is clapping. Shri Lakshmi Anjaneya, she has given the Magadira as answer. Arpita says, wow, Jyoti, congratulations. Sitara says, yes, even we are enjoying. Thank you. I'm sorry, I didn't ask you, the members who are watching this game. Okay, hope you are also enjoying. And there is one good news to all of you. Okay. Whenever I say busy, the whole world understands except your akka. She says, no, busy and now nakid kavala. Okay. So one good news to all of you is the game of AVLG. We will be having the episodes after episodes after episodes. This will be a continuous game. Okay. Congratulations to Shruti, Rajni, Jyoti and Shravani to be the first round players in the history of AVLG and of course in the history of all the Facebook pages. I think both the moderators as well as the people who are on the page or Facebook who are enjoying this might be observing one point in AVLG. Whatever we do is unique, and whatever we do is for the first time in the history. Do you agree?
Yeah,
Very
100%.
Whoever are agreeing to this point can write on the chat box agree, and can agree in the comments section on the Facebook page. So AVLG always rocks, right?
in the history of Facebook groups.
Yes.
So whatever I'm saying, because in Adger Mane close to 2 years I was admin. So whatever I'm seeing here is everything new and unique, and none of the others have done till now.
Thank you. Thank you. This is the passion which we carry on this particular page. Whatever you see will be for the first time, and we get the tag of that pioneer. Okay. People will copy, let them copy.
Let them copy.
Complete family,
Yes.
complete family, you all give lot of, interest or love.
Correct.
Or whatever.
For whom are we doing? It is all for beautiful
I can
angels
say it as
on the AVLG
dedication,
page.
100% dedication you are giving up.
Thank you. Thank you.
Family. Your son is so small, and even he is part of this.
Yes. He is my right hand. That's the reason she's on right. And Akka has taken my heart, so she is on my left.
Oh, super.
Okay, Sanjana Shriram says awesome. Archana Pendukar says super. Devi Anil says wow. And Savita Mohan says hi. Divya says we are also enjoying. Sanjana Shriram says loving and enjoying. Harika Prasad says wow, super. Swati says hi. Lakshmi Lucky says wow. Radhika says wow. Sarika claps. Abhijit, super games and questions. I'm sorry, Abhinetri. I'm sorry. Sitara says yes. Vanita says agree. Ramya says agree. Swati Lokesh says agree. Sarika says agree. Veena says agree. Divya says agree. Oh my God. Veena says AVLG rocks. Hello, get me the drinks, man. What is this? Radhika says true, agreed. Lakshmi says agreed. Pooja says agree. Okay, they chesta unta ippadu ratri 10 gantu varaku ade chesta untanu. Of course, this will be recorded and it will be put on AVLG YouTube channel. Those who don't know, AVLG has also come out with AVLG exclusive YouTube channel, and this particular program is recorded. This will also be put on your Facebook page as well as AVLG page. You can also share on your personal pages. Okay, and let us move on to the next round, the last round of this. I don't believe we have come to the last round already. Okay, so let me go to the first episode 5. And what I was telling, like, this will be, the episodes will be kept on repeating. The second round, who will be the participant? Third round, who will be the participant? Fourth round, who will be the participant? Let us see. Of course, the first round of preferences will be given to the moderators, existing and the previous moderators. Then the interesting thing, the game is also coming to you, my dear lovely members on the page. We'll also be choosing the members. They'll also be playing. And who knows, just like Cash, we may also have a celebrity coming here onto the page.
Wow.
Now, the last round of the first episode, AVLG presents the game. And let me also tell you, the sponsor of the gift is yours truly. Command Group of Companies, Command P, will be giving you a beautiful, beautiful memento for the person who will be making it in the last round. The round name is Collection Queen. Okay, welcome to this group. The king is conducting and he is choosing the Collection Queen now. Okay, now this is a very, very interesting game. Okay, just give me a second. Hope you can see the screen now.
Yes.
Okay, welcome to the last round of the first episode, the game presented by AVLG Arya Vaishya Ladies Group, prize sponsored by your truly Command Group of Companies, Command P, Collection Queen. Here, you can see there are 4 questions on the screen. Okay, I'll just read this question. When will we feel listening to him is a torture? Him or her, it might be. Okay. And the second question is, when will we say, I knew this? And third question is, when will we say this is not my cup of tea? And the fourth question is, when will you say ma aina bangaram? I'll tell it in regional language also for those who want to follow this. Manu eppudu antamu emi naina vidu inta sutti ani. That is babo veento inalna ani. It might be he or she. Okay, and the second question is, when will we say I knew this? Nak telsinde modle idu itle aitindene nange gottittu hige agutte anta. That's the second question. The third question is, when will we say this is not my cup of tea? Na valla kaadu, this is not me, I am not for this. And the fourth question is, when will you say ma aina bangaram? Of course, you can bar the admin. She keeps telling 24 hours. My wife, she keeps telling this. So tanto idichi. Okay. So now listen to the rules of the game. There are 4 players here. We know Shruti we have, Jyoti we have, Shravani we have, and Rajni we have. Okay. And the scores, Shruti is at 1 lakh, Jyoti is at 1,60,000, Shravani is at 1,85,000, and Rajni is at 20,000. Now, here comes the fun. Okay. This round can make any of you win. Now, in the leading, we have Shravani at 1,85,000 points. Now she'll get a chance to eliminate either Shruti or Jyoti or Rajni. How will she do that? Okay. First thing is, she will choose whom to eliminate first. Then, after she chooses whom to eliminate, she will be giving them any of this question. Okay. So the moment we decided we are conducting the game, we had a friend circle, okay, family and friend circle of 100 members. Okay. We quickly prepared 4 of these questions and asked them to give the answer. We did a small survey, online survey, of course. We got all the answers, and the person whom Shravani chooses give the answers which are told mostly by the people who answered the survey. Okay. Like 100 people we have asked these questions. Anyways, when she checks the questions, once she select the question, I'll explain about that. So now, Shravani, who's your close friend? Whom do you want to eliminate?
This is game.
This is the game. Shravani is playing safe. I know. Okay, whom do you want to eliminate from the game?
I'll come from the least. I'll go for Rajni first.
You will go for Rajni first. Okay. So, Rajni, are you ready?
Sir?
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, listen. What happens? Ipudu, Shravani has chosen you. Okay. So, Shravani is at 1,85,000 points and you're at 20,000 points. Now, Shravani will choose one particular question and she will give it to you in this. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
And once she gives the question, I'll go to the next slide and I'll explain you what it is. Okay, Shravani, which question do you want to give it to Rajni?
Third one. When will we say this is not my cup of tea?
Okay, so Shravani says, your question is, when will we say that this is not my cup of tea? Just give me a second, I'll explain you what it is and then I'll go to the slide. Okay, are you able to see the screen?
Yes.
Okay.
My cup of tea.
Okay, so when will we say this is not my cup of tea? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 1 second. Rajni Garu, now Shravani has given you this question to eliminate you. Okay, of course, just she took your name because you are on the lowest point. Now this is the chance for you to make it to the highest. Ipudu, we did a small survey. 100 janalni adigindam ide question. When will you say that this is not my cup of tea? Okay, all the 100 people have given us different answers. Dantla 40% have given the first answer, which you cannot see now. 36% have given the second answer. 24% have given the third answer. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Now you have 5 chances to answer.
Okay, sir.
5 ఛాన్సెస్ లా ఈ 3 ఆన్సర్లు మీరు చెప్పాలా. అంటే 2 రాంగ్ ఆన్సర్లు చెప్పొచ్చు మీరు.
ఓకే సార్.
మీరు ఈ 3 ఆన్సర్లు చెప్తే ఓకే Shravani is 1,85,000 points comes to you.
Okay, sir.
And Shravani will be eliminated.
Okay, sir.
Others, are you getting this?
Yes.
The person who answers all the 3 correct, the person who is on the highest. Now, Shravani will lose all 1,85,000 points. That will go to Rajni. Got it? Any clarification by anyone? Because the second and third round also is there in this.
Once eliminated is eliminated, huh?
Correct. Ipudu, in case Rajni says all the answers, all the 3 answers she gets, you are eliminated out of the game.
Okay.
Okay. The game will be only for those 3.
Okay.
And if she cannot give all the 3 answers, she should give all the 3 answers, not 1 or 2.
Okay.
She goes out of the game and her 20,000 comes to you.
Okay.
You will be still the lead. And again, you will be choosing one more person to eliminate. Got it? Any doubts to anybody?
No.
Okay, fine. So when will we say this is not my cup of tea అంటే ఏమో ఒకటి మన ముందు వచ్చినప్పుడు ఇది కాదు, నా చేతిలో అయ్యలేదు, ఇది లేదు, నాది కాదు, ఇది ఐ కెనాట్ డూ దిస్ ఆర్ సంథింగ్ లైక్ దట్ ఇస్ ద క్వశ్చన్. ఓకే ఓకే, యూ హ్యావ్ 5 chances, Rajni.
Okay, sir.
1 second, I need to make my noting also. Yeah, you can think, okay, and tell your first answer. Only Rajni should answer, others should not give any cues to her. When will somebody say this is not my cup of tea ante naadi kaadu, na chetla ayeledu anitara?
Sir, when the person have, if a person కి చాలా స్ట్రెస్ ఉండి తనని ఏమైనా ఒక పని ఫోర్స్ చేసినప్పుడు తను చెప్తాడు దిస్ ఇస్ నాట్ మై కప్ ఆఫ్ టీ అని చెప్తాడు.
ఏం పని?
ఏం పని? నిద్ర తక్కువైనప్పుడు.
No, you didn't get the answer. I mean, you didn't get the question properly. ఎప్పుడు చెప్తారో నీ కాదు, అంటే యావ సిచ్యుయేషన్ లో చెప్తారో నీ కాదు, యావ దానికి చెప్తారో అని. For what they will tell. ఇప్పుడు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మీతోనే పిలిచేసి ఓకే ఒక 200 kgs ఉండే రైస్ బ్యాగ్ ఎత్తమంటే మీరు ఎత్తలాప్పుడు దెన్ యూ విల్ టెల్ దిస్ ఇస్ నాట్ మై కప్ ఆఫ్ టీ, నాట్ బికాస్ యు ఆర్ స్ట్రెస్డ్ ఆర్ సంథింగ్. ఓకే, సో okay, sorry. So now, Rajni, okay, I have not considered that answer. Okay, you have 5 chances.
Okay, sir.
So when will we say, idi na chetla ayeledu, idi naadi kaadu, this is not my avenue?
Sir, when there is some natural calamities.
Natural calamities అయినప్పుడు?
They'll say this is not my cup of tea.
Okay, natural calamities అయినప్పుడు. అంటే ఏమిటి మీరు దిస్ ఇస్ నాట్ మై కప్ ఆఫ్ టీ అంటారు న్యాచురల్ కెలామిటీస్ అయినప్పుడు?
లేదు అని చెప్తారు సార్.
కాదు, అది మీ చేతిలో లేదు, దట్ ఈస్ ఫైన్. దిస్ ఇస్ సంథింగ్ రిలేటెడ్ టు ద వర్క్. ఓకే, ఐ గివ్ యూ హింట్. లైక్ న్యాచురల్ కెలామిటీస్ అయినప్పుడు మీ కళ్ళు ముందర ఏమైనా అయితా ఉంటే వాట్ యు ఆర్ సపోజ్ టు డూ? వాట్ యు ఆర్ సపోజ్ టు డూ? మీ కళ్ళు ముందర ఏమో అయితా ఉంది.
Natural calamities అయినప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేసేకాయలేదు సార్. We should go with that.
No, that is fine మా. ఇన్ కేసు మీ కళ్ళు ముందర ఒక న్యాచురల్ కెలామిటీ అయితా ఉంది, ఏమో ఒకటి భూకంపం అదో ఇదో, సో అప్పుడు మీరు ఏం చేయాలా?
We should rescue from that.
Correct. So then you will say that I cannot do that. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Can we take that answer?
Speaking what illa?
Yes,
Can we?
sir.
Yeah. So I mean, of course, though this is not directly related, I'll take this. So 24% of the people have said that social service ayeledani. So this is not my cup of tea. Okay. So you got that right. I think you would have got the cue also how to answer. So you got the one answer, and one chance is over, and you have got the answer also. You have 4 more answers.
Okay, sir.
The next one, when will you say idi na chetla ayaledu? Related to what? Think. When will you say this is not possible from me?
Doing work in public places.
Ante what work? What work? What work? Doing work in public places ante em pani?
It may be social service in railway station or a bus stand.
No.
Airport.
So working in public places, that is not there in the answer. Sorry, you lost the second chance. That is not there as a part of answer.
I should give one more answer, sir.
Yeah, you have 3 more chances
3 more
to give,
chances.
to give 2 more answers. You have 3 more chances to give 2 more answers. think.
మనము బిడ్లని కనొచ్చు కానీ బిడ్లని అదృష్టాన్ని కనేకయ్యలేదు అని చెప్తాం సార్.
Okay, but unfortunately that is also not there. So you have 2 chances. Rendu correct ga chepte you will be in the game or you will be out of the game. When will you say manchetla ayaledi dini? Think simple. Don't make it complicated. Think simple.
Any clue, sir?
Clue, 36% people have told this answer. There's a clue. ఎప్పుడు చెప్తాము మనము ఇది నాకంట ఇదంతా సెట్ అయ్యలేదప్పా. We're running out of the time. You have 2 times counting 5. If you don't answer, we'll be moving on. For 5, 4, 3. Give some answer. Anyways, you don't have any negative marking here, except taking the Shravani's points to you. 2 and 1. You last one more chance. The last chance. Of course, anyways, Shravani is the winner. If you can still go for an answer, you can go. When will you say this is not my cup of tea? Easy,
Someone
guys.
says wrongly about me when I have not done some mistake about that.
No. That is too complicated. Okay. Anyways, I'm sorry. Okay. Your 20,000 points goes to Shravani now. Shravani is now with 2,05,000 points. Anybody wants to answer quickly, including Shravani? Anybody can tell. Yeah, Shruti, go ahead.
If something, if you're not interested in it.
What is that?
అంటే మనకొక ఇది ఉంటుంది, అది కాక వేరే ఉంటే ఇట్స్ నాట్ మై కప్ ఆఫ్ టీ అంటాం.
What is that?
మంద అయిన క్వాలిటీ కాకుండా.
What is that idi? Give me an example, simple example. What Shruti said, what Rajni said, what Shravani said, everything is correct. You need to give me the direct. This is a
సో
survey.
ఇప్పుడు నాకు డాన్స్ అంటే ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉండాలి. వెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ రిలేటెడ్ టు దాట్ I say
That is the bang on answer. See, if it is a dance, competition, quiz, singing, I say, yo, this is not my cup of tea.
You can just tell not my.
Yes. And the 40% answer, still to crack.
Oh, is it?
Still to crack the 40% answer. Of course, Jyoti, you can also answer. None of you are losing.
Brilliant answer అంటే totally to escape.
అంటే డ్రెస్సింగ్ ఒకరికి వెస్టర్న్ అట్లా సెట్ అవుతుంది.
Maybe correct, but that is also not in the top answer.
Okay.
Maybe cooking or helping wife.
అయ్యో, అట్లా ఆన్సర్స్ అంతా ఆన్ ద స్క్రీన్ ఇరదప్ప. అది నేను నడిపిస్తా ఉన్నప్పుడు. హ్యావ్ సమ్ మర్సీ ఆన్ మీ ప్లీజ్. మొదలే చెప్తుంది, డూ యూ నో వేర్ ఇస్ ద కిచెన్ అట్లీస్ట్ అని అది చెప్తా ఉంటుంది ఎప్పుడును. అండ్ యూ గైజ్ ఆర్, let me not take the chances. It is very, very simple. When your dad said please do engineering, when your dad said please do MBBS, what did you say? This is with education, courses or degrees. Ayyo, 2 + 3 is 6. How can I do MBBS? Chepinla. Okay. So now again the chance goes to Shravani.
Very interesting.
Shravani, I'll go to the first question, first slide again. Now you need to choose one more person. Jyoti and Shruti. Whom are you choosing? Shruti is on 1 lakh point, Jyoti is on 1,60,000 points, and
Jyoti.
you are on 2,05,000 points. So now the formula changed. The highest person is on the bid. Okay, Jyoti, are you ready?
Yeah, I am ready.
And we don't have this my cup of tea now. Okay, this is gone, and now you can choose the question, Shravani. When will we feel that, oh my God, Sutra Naina Vidoni? Second question
the
is, when
same
will
question.
we say the first
First
question?
question.
Okay, Jyoti, are you ready?
Yeah.
The first question, when will we feel listening to him is a torture? Him ante it can be her also. Okay, hey, what are the frame chesinde? Okay. Okay, now it is correct.
ఇప్పుడు
Okay.
ఎవరైనా కంటిన్యూస్ గా మనకి సలహాలు ఇస్తా ఉంటారు మనకి
One second. I am not written still. I'll just make a note. Now this is Jyoti answering, correct? Jyoti gets 5 answers. Yeah, you have something? We need to announce their names. Okay. So question arthమైంది కదా?
యా
Okay, very good. So 5 answers, 5 chances. You need to give 3 right answers. Okay na, Jyoti garu?
ఎవరైనా ఉచిత సలహాలు ఇస్తా ఉంటారు మనకు నచ్చదు వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చేది
Okay.
అయినా ఇస్తా ఉంటారు అది
Suggestions.
torture ఉన్నట్టుంటుంది.
Suggestions is like a torture, and unfortunately that is there in the answer but not in the top answers. So your last 1 chance, you have 4 more chances, 3 right answers. Make it simple. And the question was asked to all the set of people. Okay, 15 ఏళ్ళని అడిగినాము, 30 ఏళ్ళని అడిగినాము, 50 ఏళ్ళని అడిగినాము. So listening to him or her is a torture.
వైఫ్ ఏదైనా
అది కరెక్ట్, బట్ ఎవరికి ధైర్యం ఉంటుంది అది చెప్పేదానికి? ఓకే ఓకే,
అంటే మనసులో అనుకుంటారు కదా బయటికి అందరూ ఇది రామాయణంది విందే విందు
కరెక్ట్. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ రీడింగ్ అవర్ మైండ్స్. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. ఇది అక్కది మ్యూట్ చేసేసిండి. అక్క ఇస్ నాట్ లిజనింగ్ టు ఆల్ దీస్ థింగ్స్. బట్ అన్ఫార్చునేట్లీ మనము ఇది సర్వే చేసినప్పుడు కూడా ఎవరు ఆ ఆన్సర్ ధైర్యంగా చెప్పలేదు. ఓకే, ఐఎమ్ రిమెంబరింగ్ ఎ జోక్ హియర్. ఐ వాంట్ టు టెల్ యూ. ఒక పెద్ద గ్యాదరింగ్ లా దెల్ బి హండ్రెడ్స్ ఆఫ్ మెన్. ఓకే, ఇదే సేమ్ హూ ఇస్ గ్రేట్ అండ్ వైఫ్ ఇస్ గ్రేట్, హస్బెండ్ ఇస్ గ్రేట్ అనేది నడుస్తూ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, అప్పుడు దే ఆల్ సే నో ఎవరు వైఫ్ కంత భయం పడలేదు, ఇది ఊరికే సుళ్ళు చెప్తా ఉండరు అని. దెన్ దిల్ గివ్ అన్ ఓపెన్ ఆఫర్. దిల్ మేక్ QA QB. ఓకే, QAలా ఎవరెవరు వైఫ్ కి భయం పడలేదో వాళ్ళంతా QAలా నిల్చుకోండా, ఎవరెవరు వైఫ్ కి భయం పడతారో వాళ్ళంతా QBలా నిల్చుకోండా అని చెప్తారు. ఓకే, దెల్ బి 100 men there. All the 99 will stand in QB. That means everybody is frightened about their wife. Okay, QAలా ఒకే ఒకటి నిల్చుకుంటాడు. ఒకే ఒకడాడా నేనే పై నిల్చుకుంటున్నాను అనుకున్నా. ఓకే, దెన్ దట్ గై విల్ కమ్ హ్యాపీ అండ్ టెల్ అట్లీస్ట్ ఒకడన్నా ఉన్నాడు కదపా నువ్వు ఇక్కడ నిల్చుకోండవు, సో యూ విల్ నాట్ బి స్కేర్డ్ అబౌట్ యువర్ వైఫ్ కదా అంటే, లేదు మా వైఫ్ గదిరిచ్చి చెప్పినారు పై QAలా నిల్చుకుంటారా లేదా అని, అందుకోసం వచ్చి నిల్చుకుంటాను అని చెప్పి. Okay, those who got the joke is fine. Those who didn't get the joke, afterwards you can get it. Okay, Jyoti, you have lost 2 chances and you have 3 chances. 3 right answers you should give now.
వాళ్ళ మదర్ చెప్తూనే ఉంటుంది వర్క్ హెల్ప్ చేయమని, పిల్లలకి నచ్చదు. అప్పుడు అనుకుంటా ఏం టార్చర్ అమ్మది ఎప్పుడు చెప్తా ఉంటుంది పని అని.
Okay, you did not understood the question. That's also wrong answer. Listening to them, వాళ్ళకి వింటా ఉండాలంటేనే సుత్తి, వరమ సుత్తి. So something like that. Unfortunately, listening to mother is also wrong answer. You have 2 more. You have 2 more. Sorry. Tell me.
స్టడీస్ విషయంలో పేరెంట్స్ సజెషన్ అంటే
Again, you have come to the parents. That is also wrong answer. And the last chance. Anyways, you are lost, but the last chance. Last guesses? Shruti is waving her hand. Yeah, you will get the chance now. Jyoti, last chance. Listening to somebody. Okay, we'll pass it anyways. Even my right answer chepnanu dorkudu. Shruti is telling the answer. Yeah, Shruti.
Listening to lecturers.
Listening to politicians.
You both are lecturers, I know. I
Oh, you
didn't.
wapi. I know. Even then, see, the first answer is teaching. Okay. That's the first answer. Politicians, she said, Shravani, that's not the right answer.
Present COVID news.
Yeah,
Oh,
correct.
nobody gave that answer also. Okay. The second answer is lengthy phone calls.
Okay.
Okay. Some nonsense call you have to receive. It might be from boss or somebody. And the last one is a boring customer, especially when you go. Listening to, Anusha says, listening to boss when we are not in mood. Correct. Okay. So people are enjoying. Veena says while telling their past stories. Okay. And Bindu says when hubby is talking about Milla. What is it? Okay. MIL. Oh, namaste. Thank you very much. I don't want to get into the details. Okay. And now Shravani is on 3,65,000 points. Shravani, congratulations. You are not the winner yet. Okay. So let us eliminate this question. We have two questions. One participant to be eliminated, Shravani. Of course, no chapna chapik paina. This is Shruti. Shruti is at 1 lakh points. If Shruti loses, Shravani will be 4,65,000 points. And if Shravani loses, Shruti will be at 4,65,000 points. What is the question?
First
What
one.
is the
When
question?
will we say I knew this?
I knew this. I am going to be the winner. I knew this. Okay, let me come to I knew this question. Shruti, 1 second. I'll just write it down here. Shruti, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You have the 5 chances. 3 right answers. 3 top right answers. I think Karthik is not troubling you there.
My kids, he's in shift.
Happens. Papa Karthik. Okay, fine. Because anyways, no, she says Papa, so we ourselves will take Papa. Okay, so 45% of respondents have given an answer, 35% of respondents have given an answer, and 20% of respondents have given answers. When will we say? Nak telsinde. I knew this. Yes, Shruti.
So
5 chances, 3 right answers.
Okay. When the exam results are out, maybe we'll say, I knew it.
When the exam results are out, I knew this. You will be giving the right answer. 35% of the people said when someone will be getting the results, get their job, or get engaged, they say, I knew this. Okay. No, if they want to make noise, let them make noise. Not an issue. Set them free. If they want to make them noise, let them make noise. Only the thing is they should not give you the right answers. Congratulations. First answer is the right one. Results. You have 2 more to crack to get 3,65,000 points to your account. Shravani is still smiling. Unni ogite tane cheppindi inka rendu unnai.
Sorry.
I knew this.
మా శృతినే కదా.
Okay, atlaithe I'll remove this blue boxes quickly. Parole.
Parvaleda, Shravani.
Yes, Shruti. The second answer.
No. when something good happens, maybe they will say this. Yes, I knew this. Any positive thing happening or anything positive.
Unfortunately, anything positive is not there in the top. Actually, it was there, but not in the top. Think. You lost the 2 chances, 1 right answer. You have 3 more chances, 2 right answers. Still, there is a lot of chances of winning this, the game.
Any arguments between family or husband or wife?
Okay.
Normally say that first. I knew this will happen. I say my husband. Now తెలిసిందే.
Neeke kadamma, any she will tell the same thing. So during arguments, unfortunately, that is not there.
Not there. Okay.
No.
Any arguments with anyone? I mean, family.
Correct. No. If it is little bit related, also I'll give it off to you. Don't worry. Anyways, you promised me a gift in dirhams. Why will I miss it? Shravani, you still have a chance. నేను ఇక్కడ ఆన్సర్ చేంజ్ చేసి ఇడొచ్చు కావస్తే.
అయ్యయ్యో.
అవునా? డాలర్స్ లో ఇస్తాను.
Dirhams versus dollars. I am a Pakka Shetty. Okay, please make a note of it. Lady Luck can go any side, any moment. Quick.
Astrology related. నాకు తెలిసిందే ఇట్లే అవుతుంది అని.
Can you little bit expand it? Okay, any situation, astrological, something like that only, any situation. I'm giving you a clue.
Okay.
Because dirhams was promised first. Quick. If not, this answer will be considered, but it will be a wrong answer. One situation.
Any betting or something? I knew this. I would have won this betting or.
No. Gone. You lost it.
Oh my God.
You have 1 chance left.
One clue, please. One clue.
One clue is, I give you 2 clues. Okay. The top answer was given by 45% people. The last clue is that the last answer was given by 20% people. Quick. Anyways, whatever, even if you give the right answer, Shravani will be the winner.
Even a future.
That is what you said, astrology. This is almost related to that only. You could have still, I wanted an occasion. I'm giving you the straight clue.
Wedding. రుణాలు బంధం వీళ్ళిద్దరికే
I knew this. వీళ్ళిద్దరికే పడతా ఉండింది ఏటోని. మా ఇద్దరు అయినప్పుడు చెప్పరు సుమారు జనాలు. Okay. Fine. Now all of you have the chance. Anyways, Shruti lost it.
అది లేదా?
Anyways, ఉండను వేస్టే. Now Shruti is on 4 lakh. Shravani is on 4,65,000 points. Congratulations. But you still have one more twist in the game, Shravani. I think.
శృతికి వీళ్ళంతా చెప్తాను.
Shruti, oh, you have lots of fans, yeah. Rupa Shetty is telling Shru, superb. Shruti is telling Shru, you can do it. Kavita is telling surprise, birthdays, wishes. Aparna is also watching. Anusha is telling floods, calamities. Rupa Shetty is telling Shruti, try Ra. Lakshmi is clapping. Veena is telling if someone forgets to tell. Okay. Katta Madhuri is telling congrats, Shravani, congratulations. And right answers. Which one you want me to disclose first? 20% one and 45% one?
45.
45% one. I thought you will be giving this first. Any of you? After a baby is born, whether it is a girl baby or boy baby, not telling. And the 20% one is someone losing something. Okay. You said about positive thing, this was a negative thing. That is why you exactly said ulta. Like tells one chapputni cheyaddu ni, he did it and he lost it. And
My dad will say.
see, usually, okay, you gave your dad's example. In general, no, people would like to take the credits. ఆ యాంగల్లో యోచన చేయాలి ఈ క్వశ్చన్ కి.
Okay.
I knew this అని ఎప్పుడు చెప్తారు? As if you knew this, you should have told it before, not after కదా.
No,
జనాల్లో
that's not my dad. I thought the other.
నో అట్లా కాదు నేను చెప్తా ఉండేది. ఇన్ జనరల్ లో జనాలు ఐ న్యూ దిస్ అని ఈవెన్ టైమింగ్ గా చెప్తారు.
Correct.
దట్ జస్ట్ టు టేక్ ద క్రెడిట్ అంతే.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು
నాకు మొదలే తెలిసింది ఆ మగబిడ్డ అయితుంది. యూ షుడ్ హావ్ టోల్డ్ ఇట్ బిఫోర్.
తీసుకుంటువి అని.
దట్స్ ఆఫ్ కోర్స్ ఎ సజెషన్. ఎవరన్నా పాపం ఏమట్లా బెట్టింగ్ లా ఏమైనా సోల్పోతే సోల్ పైన ఇంకా చెప్పేది. ఓకే, ఐ న్యూ దిస్ యూ విల్ లూజ్ అని బిఫోర్ దే షుడ్ హావ్ టోల్డ్. ఓకే, now we are coming to the last stage. Okay, now of course the winner is Shravani Raghu. Even after the twist also she will be the winner. Okay, the twist is ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ 4 questions ఉండే. One my favorite question none of you took. This is totally అన్యాయ.
ఆయన బంగారం because it's easy.
కదా, అందుకే I'll give this question to Shravani. Okay, the same things happens now. If she cracks this question, her points will be 10 times more. 4,65,000 will become 46,500. Okay, if she loses this, her 4,65,000 will become 2,32,500 points. Okay,
End of the day,
anyway she is the winner.
yeah.
Okay, but there's a twist also.
I'm the runner. Point
46,500 points వస్తే పెద్ద అవార్డు వస్తుంది.
అవునా?
2,32,500 పాయింట్ వస్తే చిన్న అవార్డు వస్తుంది మీ ఇంటికి. I told you I'm a businessman, I cannot help. Okay, so my dear Shravani, tell me, when will you tell మా ఆయన బంగారం అని రఘుకి అట్లీస్ట్ లైఫ్ లో ఒక అప్పుడప్పుడన్నా చెప్పారా?
సర్ప్రైజెస్ చేస్తున్నాడు. సర్ప్రైజెస్ when he give me surprises.
అబ్బా రఘు, Shravani gave a surprise to us. That is a top hitting answer when he gives surprises. Raghu, you meet me in person personally. Ikandi repo manada evadana. I'll share you my location, office location. That's only boys meeting, okay? Fine. So now you have 2 more answers. 32% women said this, and this question was only for married women. Okay na?
అవునా?
So 32% and 26%. లవ్లీ ఆన్సర్. ఏమీ లేవు, కొంచెం యోచించే రఘు. ఎప్పుడెప్పుడు రఘుని చెప్పుతారు మీరు?
అంటే ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేసిన దానికన్నా చాలా పెద్ద గిఫ్ట్ ఇచ్చినాడు.
No, the gift surprises, everything is over. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 la, you lost 1. You have 4 answers.
When he supported me.
I will tell at the end. Okay, because viewers are also giving fantastic answers there. Of course you don't open the Facebook page.
ఇప్పుడు గలాటా ఏమైనా అయినప్పుడు when he supports even when I am wrong.
అప్పుడు ఆయన బంగారం కాదు రాజా, ఆయన వజ్రం అప్పుడు. దిస్ ఇస్ బంగారం
ఉంది కదా, అందుకే ఎత్తుకుంటాను.
ఇప్పుడు సద్యానికి బంగారం. దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ దేర్. యు లాస్ట్ 2 chances.
ఓకే,
పర్సనల్ గా చాట్ చేసి నింటే అడ్మిన్ జొట్లా ఎప్పుడప్పుడు తను బంగారం అని చెప్పినా అయిపోతా ఉండే. ఓకే,
when he guides me.
గైడ్స్ మీనా? అంత ధైర్యమా to anybody to guide? Sorry, you lost the chance. 2 chances, 2 right answers. Either it will decide either you are on 46,50,000 or 2,32,500. Okay, yeah. Veena is telling super, come on akka, you can tell it ani. Krishna Kumari said gift ani, of course you have told it. Anita Kiran, thank you, this compliment I'll directly take it. Super question ani. Sitara says gold surprise, that is also again the gift, it will come under. Anusha says surprise gifts. Anita Kiran says yes, it is correct. Subhashini has given some answer, I'll answer, I'll tell it later. Sitara also says when you support. Krishna Kumari says helps. Okay, I'll give you the last answer later. No, wait. That the answer which she has given, only two chances, 2 answers. We are closing the game in another 5 minutes.
మా యజమాన్ లో చాలా మంచి పని చేసినప్పుడు everyone praises him.
Unfortunately, extremely ulta answer. I have given you a clue also. Okay, last chance. Anyways, you have lost 4,46,000. lakhs 50,000. The what comes to your account is only 2,32,500 points. So last chance. The last chance. Think.
Come on, Shravani, you can do it.
Come on, Shravani, you can do it. The same thing is
When
told
he
by me.
spends with me on my special day.
That also comes under gifts. Let me reveal the answers given by the people here, and you can also answer. Vaishnavi Vinay says when he takes to travel trips, when my hubby supports. Deepa says that. Divya says when he cooks and gives. Wow. Divya, please Venkatesh Olta nato meet cheyamani cheppandi. Anusha says savage. And Vaishnavi Vinay says cooking. Anusha again says good support. Nidhi Shetty says backbone. Of course, we are all, yeah, come on. Sarika Venkatesh says, I will say when he get promoted in office. Very good, congratulations. I think the hidden answer there is when he gets promoted, obviously I can shop more on it. That's the answer. Okay. Pati says when he cooks for me. What is this cooking thing, yaar? We'll all take you to so many hotels and we'll feed you. Only the thing when we cook only you like us. What is this? Adi em kuda mind la kuda whenever I go for cooking, no, a gas lighter panchesilla.
Abba.
Inka paye alge kapade ekkada cooking chesadu.
It's an electric stove change. Automatic change.
Shock kodtindi. No. That's a wrong suggestion.
Sorry.
Okay, Devi says beautiful answer when he spends the whole day for me. And of course, that I'll also do with my wife. Bindu says when hubby takes me for shopping. Okay. And somebody has told when he gives his cards to me, then daily na visiting cards is the she will not tell me. Swati says when he doesn't look at girls. Wow. Okay. Lokesh, you need not look at girls. There are so many other people also under feminine this thing. Okay. Meet me personally. Poonam says when he cooks, hey, Veena says if he agrees whatever I tell. Appa Pani, who will not agree, Raja? Veena Panikshan. Okay. Vaishnavi says when he gives more preference to family. Lovely. Fantastic answer. Kavya Shubhakan says when he praises our cooking. Fantastic. I think that is one of the top answers. When he praises, I think that is there in point B. How can you forget this, yaar? When he praises me. Nijam chepada. మీరు ఎప్పుడన్నా గోల్డ్ అడిగినప్పుడు నువ్వే బంగారం కదరా నీకెందుకు రా బంగారం ఉన్నప్పుడు ఓ నీళ్ళ గోల్డ్ వద్దు డైమండ్ ఇప్పి అడిగినలా మీరు ఐ నో ఓకే Suma says when he buys whenever we want, whatever I want, and Kavya says when he does household work. Youth pe em chesna lekkochaledu miki. Okay, Shruti says when he supports and praises me in front of everyone. That's a bang on answer, Shruti, actually. Okay. When he praises.
Answer chepputni.
Yav memani cheppudri.
Naki support chestnavadu.
Ikkad ledu praises it is. Okay. Anusha says when anyone says bad about my hubby. Spelling mistake undala madi correct ga check cheyandi. Subhashini says someone says about husband something, that means positive things ani. When he cares, when he manages the kids, when he supports me, when he take care of the kids. And the last one I will reveal, okay, is when he says, Puta, you don't cook today, come let us go out.
Yes.
Kada. Whatever answers you have given, funnily, seriously, everything is the right answers. And one statement always holds good. Okay. Every husband loves his wife unconditionally. Okay. Of course, the same thing applies to the wives also. Thank you all, the beautiful angels, for supporting your husbands. Thank you all, beautiful ladies here. Shruti, Rajni, Jyoti, and Shravani, really, I don't know how much you enjoyed. I too enjoyed to the maximum. Finally, the winner of the first game, big game, in Kalnu Adko, is Shravani Raghu. Congratulations, Shravani. You have won 2,32,500 points. Hope soon we'll be getting the sponsors for our AVLGD game also. This 2,32,500 points also will be 2,32,500 rupees like cash program. Wow. Okay. And of course, we are Arya Vaishyas and we know how to make money. We know how to earn. This game is conducted just for fun. Hope all of you have enjoyed it.
Yes, sir.
Special thanks to all the AVLG members. A very special thanks to the admin of AVLG and my boss, Kavita Iragam. Thanks a lot. And the happy news
From my
is,
side too.
thank you. We will be repeating this game episode after the episode. Next chance will be given to the next round of moderators. Then we'll be going to the past moderators. And then we'll also be coming with the members. Congratulations to all of you for playing fantastically this game. Please like this particular live on the page. Share it in your personal pages. Okay. Share the AVLG channel link on your personal pages. I want AVLG YouTube channel also to get 20,000 plus subscribers. It is all in your hands. Congratulations. Have a fantastic night. Enjoy. Congratulations to all of you.
Thank you.
A special thanks to all the people who are seeing this on Facebook Live.
Yes.
So more or less 70 to 80 people are watching this. And of course, Kavita Iragam is continuously commenting and responding to them. Thank you very much. I really had a fantastic.
I would like to say hi to my
Thank you very much, sir.
who are watching here.
Yes.
Please.
Thank you
Thank you very
supporting us,
much for the
members.
super game, super question.
Thanks for
super
the beautiful
everything.
idea by the beautiful lady.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Kavita Akka.
Akka.
Thanks a lot, Jiju, for
Thanks
the
a lot, Akka.
Thank you, Akka. We enjoyed a program a lot. After the college days, we are participating here in the live in our
Very,
very
అక్క
happy.
క్యాష్ రెగ్యులర్ గా చూస్తా ఉండే బట్ నేను పార్టిసిపెంట్ అవుతాను అనేది నిజంగా లక్కీ
సో
అది విన్నర్ కూడా
గర్ల్స్ మీకు తెలుసు కదా క్యాష్ లో అంతా సెలబ్రిటీసే వస్తారు అని సో మా
Yeah,
ఏవిఎల్జీ లో
of course.
ప్రతి ఒక్కరు సెలబ్రిటీసే
Celebrities
మా
today.
ఓల్డ్ మోడరేటర్స్ మా కొత్త మోడరేటర్స్ అందరూ సెలబ్రిటీసే యూ పీపుల్ ఆర్ డూయింగ్ వండర్స్ మా రియలీ ఆ వాసవి మాత మిమ్మల్ని బాగా కాపాడాలా లవ్
Thank
యూ
you, Akka.
ఆల్
Thank you so much. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, Akka.
Whenever you do any activity, just enjoy it and do it. Okay. Don't worry about the society. Don't worry about others. Don't worry about anybody else on this earth. Okay. You just enjoy what you do.
Yes, sir.
That will give the answers to everyone. Fantastic. Had a nice time. Can we say bye bye to all of you?
Yes.
బాయ్
Good night. Good night. Take care. Take care.
Good night.
Anyway, Shruti will be having extended hours of time there. Enjoy. Bye bye. See you all, ladies and ladies who are watching this on Facebook Live. Okay, we'll be coming again and again to give you more and more entertainment.
థ్యాంక్ యూ
Stay tuned. Bye bye. See you all.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
గుడ్ నైట్
Good night. Good night.